According to Wikipedia, MOFO may stand for morning formation or mother. But in this episode of App Judgment, we'll find out how to hook a MOFO up app style.
This episode of App Judgment is brought to you by Netflix. Go to www.netflix.com/AJ for your free trial membership.
Hello and welcome to App Judgment, your source for serious mobile business apps and your legal counsel. I'm David Prager. Today we're going to talk about MoFo to Go. It's the official iPhone app for the law firm Morrison Forster, which has the distinct honor of owning the domain name mofo.com. MoFo is what you'd call a full-service law firm with more than 1,000 lawyers and 16 offices around the world. Now, I'm going to guess that the average MoFo attorney probably bills north of $300 an hour, so allocating a few dollars to some Objective-C gurus to help them build an iPhone app probably didn't dent the bottom line. And then there's an app for everything, so why not make MoFo to Go? Alright, the app has 4 primary functions: people, news, locations, and play. But before you get to that, know that imagination, innovation, expertise, commitment, this is MoFo. Yep, that's the first thing you see on both MoFo's website and in their app. Alright, on to the features. If you click on people, you see an alphabetical list of every last one of MoFo's 1,000+ attorneys. You can select any of them to immediately see their photo, what office they work out of, their phone number, email address, where they went to law school, and what their expertise or practices are. From the app, you can even add them to your contacts, email them, or forward their info to someone. Under people, you can also sort attorneys by where they went to school and what Morrison Forster office they're based at. And lastly, you can narrow attorneys down to their practice. Stuff like litigation, or trademark, or financial services. But more importantly, there's over 100 practices, so you can really drill it down to wine, or US taxation of multinational corporations, or just fuel cells and batteries. Okay, before we get to the rest of the features, let's give a shout out to our sponsors.
Hey Zach, what are you doing this weekend?
Well, I think I'm going to catch up on some of my shows, some of my stories. I think they've got Parks and Recreation Seasons 2 on Netflix streaming, so I think I'm going to catch up on that. How about you?
I'm probably going to rent Bloodsport again.
Just another weekend for you.
Yeah, exactly. But that's the beauty of Netflix.
It is the beauty of Netflix. With one low monthly price, Netflix members can instantly watch unlimited TV episodes and movies streaming directly to their TVs, computers, and they can receive unlimited DVDs delivered quickly to their homes. With Netflix, there are never any due dates or late fees.
That's right. Members can select from a growing library of titles that can be watched instantly and a vast array of titles on DVD as well.
Among the large and expanding number of devices streaming TV episodes and movies are Microsoft's Xbox 360, Sony's PS3 game console, and the Nintendo Wii console. Find movies you love easily. As
a Netflix Unlimited member, you get DVDs by mail in about 1 business day. Watch as many movies as you want, and shipping is free, and there are never any late fees or due dates.
Watch as many movies as you want for one low monthly price.
As a new member and as an App Judgment viewer, you can get a free trial membership too. Go to netflix.com/AJ and sign up now. Be sure to use this URL so that they know that we sent you.
All right, more features from MoFo to Go. If you select locations, you get a list of MoFo's 16 different cities. When you select an office, you see a map powered by Google Maps with various drop pins. One drop pin is for the office itself. The rest of them represent MoFo recommended dining, hotels, and ports of entry or travel options nearby. And finally, news. If your firm has over 1,000 lawyers, you're going to generate a lot of news and a lot of activity. The News tab of MoFo's app sorts all of that activity into alerts, releases, newsletters, and something called MoFo Tech. All right, on to the pros and cons, starting with the pros. Number 1, I forgot to mention the Labyrinth game built into the app, complete with MoFo factoids. MoFo was founded in 1883. Number 2, the restaurant recommendations for each MoFo location are actually pretty solid. And number 3, the app is actually well designed and actually organizes a lot of data quite well. And now, onto the cons. There's no BlackBerry edition. Seriously, aren't lawyers more the BlackBerry type? Number 2, you can't sort efficiently. If I really seriously want to search for all M&A attorneys only in San Francisco, there's no filter for that kind of stuff. All right, final judgment. Well, I don't really want to say anything bad, or rather, I don't want to say anything slanderous or libelous. They got 1,000 lawyers that could sue our asses. Screw it. They're all just a bunch of mofos anyway. Don't download. Much respect to the app. Mofo.com, though, is straight up better, and I don't even think Mofo's biggest clients need a custom mobile app for this information. All right, thanks for watching this episode of App Judgment. I'm David Prager. If you want to check out more of our episodes, you can go to appjudgment.com. You can send us an email at appjudgment@revision3.com, or you can visit us on a whole bunch of social networks. Go to twitter.com/appjudgment, Facebook/appjudgment, YouTube/appjudgment. Go check it all out, interact with us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Hello, Esther Kim.
Yeah, it's David Prager for Esther Kim.
Yes, this is she.
Hey, I'm calling from a local San Francisco-based internet TV company. I'm taking a look at the Mofo to Go iPhone app, and I picked your name at random to see how accessible some of the attorneys are.
Oh, I see.
And I saw, oh, she's from San Francisco, and she looks like she's only been there for a couple of years, and so I thought I'd give it a shot. And I thought I'd go straight to your assistant or something, but I got straight to you, which is pretty awesome.
Yeah, it's nice, right?
And now I want to start talking intellectual property law with you, but I don't have any intellectual property issues at the moment. I appreciate your answering the phone.
Okay, sounds good.
Thanks, take care.
Okay, bye.